Good morning everyone. Welcome to your science class. Today we are going to discuss chapter 7 weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. We have learned in our last class weather and climate. So today we are going to discuss adaptations of animals to climate. Firstly we will discuss tropical rainforest region. This region is represented by hot and wet climate. Hot means temperature is very high in this area, and wet means rainfall is very high in this region. This region is located around the equator. The temperature of this region is more than 15 degrees centigrade in winter, and temperature may cross 40 degrees centigrade during summer. Is very high. Temperature in 40 degrees centigrade in summer. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. High temperature and excessive rainfall support wide variety of animals and plants. Many animals living in tropical region are monkeys, apes and gorillas, lions and tigers, elephants and snakes, birds and insects. In tropical rainforest, climatic conditions support enormous number and varieties of animals. So there is an intense competition for food and shelter. Animals present in tropical rainforest are adapted to minimize the competition for food and shelter. And point first, red-eyed frog has sticky pads on its feet that help it to climb on the trees. Point 2, monkeys have long tails for grasping branches of the tree. They also use their arms and legs to swing from one tree to another. And third point, toucan, a tropical bird, possesses a long and large beak. Beak help it to reach the fruit. Look at this picture. Picture first toucan bird, and second picture red-eyed frog, and third picture elephant, and fourth picture lion-tailed macaque. The cannot support its weight. Many animals have sharp eyesight, sensitive hearing, and thick spines as an adaptation. Their skin color may help them to hide in the surrounding, or they may change their skin color similar to that of the background to hide itself. An elephant is a well known example of animals present in tropical rainforest. It has a big trunk that is modified upper lip and nose. Because of the presence of trunk, elephant has a good sense of smell. It also helps in picking of the food. Tusks of elephant are modified teeth that help in tearing of bark of trees. Bark of the trees is one of the favorite food of it. Elephants have large ears that help them to hear the soft sound and also help to radiate out of the heat from the body. And next one, the lion-tailed macaque are weird ape live in the rainforest of Western Ghats. It feeds on the fruit, seed, leaves, flowers and words. It also feeds on insects present under the bark of trees. It gets sufficient food from the trees, so it rarely comes down on the ground. These are some specific features of tropical rainforest animals. And the second point, polar region. This region is characterized by extreme cold climate. Polar regions are covered with snow and become very cold for most of the year. In winter, temperature can be low as minus 30 degrees 37 degrees centigrade in polar region. Sunrise is for 6 months, and for the another 6 months the sun does not rise. Animals that live in cold areas usually have adaptations to keep their bodies warm. They have two thick layers of fur and a layer of that fat under their skin. Fat layer and fur works as an insulator from the cold. And first point, most of the animals like polar bear, Arctic hare have white or light colored fur. It helps them blend with their surroundings and not be noticed by their predators or prey. Temperature is very low in polar region. Polar region is so cold. An Arctic fox grows a white coat in winter and a speckled or brown coat in summer to match their surroundings. And polar bears are also good swimmers. They have wide and large paws that help in swimming underwater and also help to walk on snow. Polar bears also have a strong sense of smell. It helps the bear to locate and catch its prey. Penguins are also white in color that help to blend with them their surrounding like polar bear. They also have thick skin and a thick layer of fat under the skin to protect from the cold. Penguins huddle together to keep them warm. They have streamlined body and good swimmers. Many fishes, musk, oxen, reindeers, seals, whales, birds also live in polar region. Look at this picture. Some polar region birds and animals, polar bear, penguins and Siberian crane live in polar region. Birds cannot withstand in cold climate for long duration, so they migrate to warmer region when winter set in. They come back after the winter is over. Siberian crane is one of the migratory birds that comes to Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana from Siberian. Some birds fly as much 15,000 kilometers to escape the extreme weather conditions. Thank you, student. Today our chapter number 7. This is last video, chapter number 7. We will discuss our next chapter in next video. Have a nice day.